Drip, 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 hear that sound. Pipes been leaking water all around. Don't stress, we pull up slick. You already know, call it quick. Clogged up
Hello.
sink or a busted drain.
How you doing?
I'm doing fine.
My name is Sir Charles. I'm sorry. Be careful. Nice to meet you.
Okay.
How was your Thanksgiving?
It was really good.
You didn't eat too much turkey, did you?
No, I didn't eat turkey.
You know what? A lot of people didn't have turkey this year.
No.
What
Good.
yeah. What kind of problem are you having?
You'll see.
Yes, ma'am.
I cleaned out the bottom for you.
Don't wait till it floods your
Okay, kitchen sink.
floor. You've been looking
Hello, ladies.
one quick call. We're on the move.
Oh,
Branches hours.
all morning. All morning.
Was you telling the truth? Is she okay?
Hear that sound.
Yeah.
Pipes been leaking water.
Who said? Did you not see the water in here?
We pull up slick. You are
Oh,
Anyway, I'll tell you what happens.
busted drain.
I've had trouble all the time.
yes, ma'am.
My grandson came in August, and his
Cable.
only went 25 feet.
Yes, ma'am.
So he must have cracked something because it was fine.
Okay.
Then last night,
It backed up.
it picked up.
Both sides.
Well, this side did.
And it was going down on this side.
No, you're right.
Both
But
sides.
when I was plunging,
Uh-huh.
and black stuff started coming up on this side.
Okay. But so both sides were definitely backed
Yeah,
up.
yeah.
Okay.
And what I did was I had drain on,
Yes, ma'am.
and I put that in there. Waited 6 hours. This morning, when I put the hot water in,
Yes, ma'am.
it stopped.
Wow.
It would not go down.
Yeah. It probably just needs to be cable.
That's what
And-
we're thinking.
Yes, ma'am.
But do you go farther than 25 feet?
And so I got 50 feet of
Okay.
cable, and so that'll put us into the main line.
Oh,
This is a sub line, and it connects to the 4-inch inside the foundation before it goes out to the street.
and that's what Ian was saying. He said, Grandma, I'll never get there.
Yeah, yeah, and I'm glad he tried for you. So we got you lightweight. We're gonna cable here, probably out maybe about 40 feet or so, and we'll hook everything back up and we'll water test, and you ladies will be back to normal. Okay? Cool,
How do
baby.
you pronounce your first name?
Sir Charles.
Sir, S-I-R?
Yes,
Charles?
yes, ma'am.
Oh, your mama was impressed with you.
I got a lot to live up to. I want to live up to your expectations today, okay?
Joyce. You know.
All right, Miss
Come and
Joyce.
go.
Okay, I'm gonna go get my stuff. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Okay.
Climbing high, we're on that roof. Doing what most won't dare to do. Vents that clear, now that's the win. Gutter the sewer, we get it in. Don't wait till it floods your floor with the crew you've been looking for. One quick call, we're on the move. Branches out with something to prove. Drip, 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 hear that sound. Pipes been leaking water all around. Don't stress, we pull up slick. You already know, call it quick. Clogged up sink or a busted drain. Basement's wet from a mystery stain. We show up, no time to stall. Tool belt tight and we're fixing it all. Climbing high, we're on that roof. Doing what most won't dare to do. Vents that clear, now that's the win. Gutter the sewer, we get it in. Don't wait till it floods your floor with the crew you've been looking for. One quick call, we're on the move. Branches out with something to prove. Drip, 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 hear that sound. Pipes been leaking water all around. Don't stress, we pull up slick. You already know, call it quick. Clogged up sink or a busted drain. Basement's wet from a mystery stain. We show up, no time to stall. Tool belt tight and we're fixing it all. Climbing high, we're on that roof. Doing what most won't dare to do. Vents that clear, now that's the win. Gutter the sewer, we get it in. Don't wait till it floods your floor with the crew you've been looking for. One quick call, we're on the move. Branches out with something to prove. Drip, 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 hear that sound. Pipes been leaking water all around. Don't stress, we pull up slick. You already know, call it quick. Clogged up sink or a busted drain. Basement's wet from a mystery stain. We show up, no time to stall. Two belt tight and we're fixing it all. Climbing high, we're on that roof. Doing what most won't dare to do. Vents that clear, now that's a win. Gutter the sewer, we get it in. Don't wait till it floods your floor with the crew you've been looking for. One quick call, we're on the move. Branches out with something to prove.
Did you get that pipe off? Was it black back there?
No, not yet.
See,
It is gonna be.
It was just loaded with black.
Yeah, a whole bunch of sludge. It sounds like, yes, ma'am. Mm-hmm.
Clogged up sink or a busted drain. Basement's wet from a mystery stain. We show up, no time to stall. Two belt tight and we're fixing it all. Climbing high, we're on that roof. Doing what most won't dare to do. Vents that clear, now that's a win. Gutter the sewer, we get it in. Don't wait till it floods your floor with the crew you've been looking for. One quick call, we're on the move. Branches out, something to prove.
Got it.
Drip, 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 we got change. Pipes in, water all around. Don't stress, we pull up slick. You already know, call it quick. Clogged up sink or a busted drain. Basement's wet from a mystery stain. We show up, no time to stall. Two belt tight and fixing it all. Climbing high, we're on that roof. Doing what most won't dare to do. That's that clear, now that's the way. Gutter the sewer, we get it in. Don't wait till it floods your floor with the crew you've been looking for. One quick call, we're on the move. Branches out, something to prove. Drip, 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 we got change. Pipes in, water all around. Don't stress, we pull up slick. You already know, call it quick. Clogged up sink or a busted drain. Basement's wet from a mystery stain. We show up, no time to stall. Two belt tight and fixing it all. Climbing high, we're on that roof. Doing what most won't dare to do. Vents that clear, now that's the way. Gutter the sewer, we get it in. Don't wait till it floods your floor with the crew you've been looking for. One quick call, we're on the move. Branches out with something to prove. Drip, 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 hear that sound. Pipes been leaking water all around. Don't stress, we pull up slick. You already know, call it quick. Clogged up sink or a busted drain. Basement's wet from a mystery stain. We show up, no time to stall. Two belt tight and we're fixing it all. Climbing high, we're on that roof. Doing what most won't dare to do. Vents that clear, now that's a win. Gutter the sewer, we get it in. Don't wait till it floods your floor with the crew you've been looking for. One quick call, we're on the move. Branches out with something to prove. Drip, 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 hear that sound. Pipes been leaking water all around. Don't stress, we pull up slick. You already know, call it quick. Clogged up sink or a busted drain. Basement's wet from a mystery stain. We show up, no time to stall. Tool belt tight and we're fixing it all. Climbing high, we're on that roof. Doing what most won't dare to do. Vents that clear, now that's the win. Gutted the sewer, we get it in. Don't wait till it floods your floor with the crew you've been looking for. One quick call, we're on the move. Branches out, something to prove. Drip, drip, drip.
So far, so good.
Pipes been leaking water all around. Don't stress, we pull up slick. You already know, call it quick. Clogged up sink or a busted drain. Basement's wet from a mystery stain. We show up, no time to stall. Tool belt tight and we're fixing it all. Climbing high, we're on that roof. Doing what most won't dare to do. Vents that clear, now that's the win. Gutted the sewer, we get it in. Don't wait till it floods your floor with the crew you've been looking for. One quick call, we're on the move. Branches out with something to prove. Drip, 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 hear that sound. Pipes been leaking water all around. Don't stress, we pull up slick. You already know, call it quick. Clogged up sink or a busted drain. Basement's wet from a mystery stain. We show up, no time to stall. Tool belt tight and we're fixing it all. Climbing high, we're on that roof. Doing what most won't dare to do. Vents that clear, now that's the win. Gutted the sewer, we get it in. Don't wait till it floods your floor with the crew you've been looking for. One quick call, we're on the move. Branches out, something to prove. Drip, 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 hear that sound.
Are you good? I think we got it open. Now, have you used us before? Have you used our company before?
No, I got on the internet and I said, plumbing companies near me.
Wow.
And I read your
Reviews. Yes, ma'am. We've been around for 60
I
years.
know, I couldn't believe that.
Yes, ma'am.
And I grew up in St. Anne,
Wow.
Oberlin,
Yeah.
you know, and I used, when my AC went out, I used the one right on Ashby.
Okay.
SEW.
Did they?
No, the AC.
Did they recommend us?
No, but your website was really great.
Okay. All right. Okay. I make sure to let them know that they're doing a good job on that. But I'm glad that you found us.
Yeah. that's
Yes,
true.
ma'am.
But I said to the girls, I wanted somewhere near me. I want to go to East Jesus and have somebody come.
Right. And so I am going to leave you with a 30-day warranty.
I told you in that.
Mm-hmm. And so if it happens, but some companies don't do it, you know, but we stand behind our work. So if something happens in 30 days, then you're covered. But I think that you'll be fine.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have the bill or?
Yeah, I'm going to write you out a receipt. Going to have your warranty. You can write a check
I got you.
to AA Quick for $147.50.
Oh, that is nice.
Yeah, and I actually gave you a discount, okay?
Because why?
Because you're a really nice lady. Yes, ma'am.
140 what?
$147.50, and so that's our repeat customer discount. Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Basement's wet from a mystery stain. We show up, no time to stall. Tool belt tight and we're fixing it all. Climbing high, we're on that roof. Doing what most won't dare to do.
All right, now here is your receipt,
Okay.
and my name is on here, so you can always request me.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. It was a pleasure serving you today.
Well, thank you. Now, I want AA. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Because I said to the girls, I think I should have won AA.
No, AA Quick would have been sufficient. Yeah, their bank knows them well.
All right. So,
Alrighty.
I shouldn't have any trouble because I trust you.
You shouldn't, and if you don't, you got a warranty.
For 30 days.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait till my grandson knows that.
Now tell Ian that we got you.
I'm telling you.
Mhm.
So now, we got this running for a reason.
And so,
How
you know,
long?
just proof, and also to be able to push out all that black sludge that you see. But I think maybe another 5 minutes and you can turn it off.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. All right, ma'am. Get your stuff for you. Somebody dropped this.
Give it to the birds.
Right. You have a good Christmas, ma'am.
Yes, I will now.
All right. See you later.
Something to prove. Drip, 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 hear that sound. Pipes been leaking water all around. Don't stress, we pull up slick. You already know, call it quick. Clogged up sink or a busted drain. Basement sweat from a mystery stain. We show up, no time to stall. Tool belt tight and we're fixing it all. Climbing high, we're on that roof. Doing what most won't dare.